Hey guys, Josh here. Just doing a video today on how to make a little Matchbox Firecracker. So you got your matches here. I've got a big box and a little box. So now first thing you want to do is cut all the ends off these. Cut all the heads off the matches. Normally a pair of side cutters are the best to use. So you want to cut them off pretty close to the ends until you got, nearly most of them heads off. So you got a good pile of them match heads. I've also got a big packet here, so I'm going to make one out of them as well. I want to cut all them heads off, and yeah. Alright, so now you're going to want to cut the flint part out, just the flint bit. Just cut it out right down the line. Right, so they're cut out now. You want to make a little cube out of these. So with the ends here, just line them up and fold them. So they're the same length. So you got two little U-shaped bits with the flint side facing in. And you want to tape them together so it's like a little cube. Leave one end open. Alright, so now fill that up with your match heads. Dropped a few here. So it's full like that. Close that up and tape it off tight. So full like that. So close it off. We're going to want to tape that up. So you're going to want to tape that up shut. You're going to want to tape that shut. Now just remember when you're doing this part not to squeeze too tightly, because it could set off the match heads early. So you just want it tight enough so it's, everything's tight, but just not too tight, because you might make it blow up in your hand. You don't want that. Alright, let's go test them out. I got a big one and a little one. So let's go test them out. Well, that was pretty cool. So subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and yeah, see you on the next one.